Once again, a very good morning, my dear children. So, in the first part of the video of conjunctions, we learned about the meaning of conjunctions, that they are the joining word. Then we have seen the types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, correlative, and compound sentence also. Correlative and compound, in a way they are similar. Then we have seen the definition of coordinating conjunction, that we are seeing equal importance sentence or equal rank. Then about subordinating, in which one is independent sentence and the other one depend upon this sentence, that is unequal rank. Then we have seen some of the examples of subordinate conjunctions. After that, we have seen correlative conjunctions. And I told you about correlative conjunctions, that they are the join similar words. Okay, conjunction used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. And I also told you that they are in pairs like both, and, either, or. So both will be used in the first part of the sentence and in the second part of the sentence. That's what I told you. But for compound, we are having only two words, and that too together, like as soon as well as, then so that, together. Okay, like here so that is not given, but in your book so that it is given in separate way, so ... that. But when you are, because it is correlative conjunctions, but when same so that without the dots, if you are using so that in compound sentence, at that time the dots will be removed. Then you see conjunctions, I told you the book meaning. Fill-ups we have seen. Then I told you rewrite the sentences with the words given in bracket. Here the starting of the sentence is given, but in the exam you will not get the starting because it is rewrite the sentences. Then we have learned join the pairs of sentences using the conjunctions given in bracket. Okay, and I stopped here in conjunctions used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. So this I have already taught you. See the examples: either or, neither nor, both and, whether, so that, to. All these are the examples. Related to the examples, some questions are given. You have to solve the questions by yourself. Like the first one, he was fined, he was also imprisoned. Not only, but also. So how you will be using? He was not only fined, but also imprisoned. Okay, in this way you will be using. He was not only fined but also imprisoned. In the same way, second one, she is a singer, she is a dancer. Both and. So you'll be using she is both singer and dancer. Okay, so in this way the first one will come in the first part of the sentence and the second one will come in the second part of the sentence. In this way, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10 and 11 you people have to do by yourself. Like the last one, 11th one, you should work hard, otherwise you will fail. So it will be, how it will be? It will be lest you work hard. Lest you work hard. Okay, lest you work hard or you will fail. It will be in this way. You should work hard, because should is also already given. You should work hard lest you will fail. You should work hard lest you will fail. In this way. Okay. Then turn the page. Page number 82. It is passage. You have to read the passage and then you have to write on the questions given below. I'll be reading the passage for you. Chess is an interesting indoor game. It is not meant to be just an amusement, but something more. It is a game of pure skill. Unless the player is alert, patient, and persevering, it is not possible to be good at this time. The player must have a great power of concentration because he must be able to look ahead and calculate the result of every move that he makes. Although the two players sit perfectly still and scarcely speak a word, they are engaged in an exciting mental combat. So, chess is a fine form of mind exercise. Chess is the best game if one wants real mental recreation. Okay, so this is the paragraph related to this. Questions are given. Is chess an outdoor or an indoor game? What are the qualities in a good player? Like this, all the questions are given. You people have to write by yourself. Okay. Then next page, page number 83, complete the following with your own ideas. Your own ideas you have to put. So I don't know your idea. That's why this also will be your homework. Mother went to the hospital because. So what is your idea? I was alone. So you were alone. So what you did? So your own idea you will write. I felt hungry, but. So your idea. I went to the bakery and. Your idea. I was still hungry although. Then what you did? If you were still hungry, then what you did? So your idea will come over here. Then role play this dialogue with your partner. It is just for fun's sake. So you people have to do with your partner or your friends or siblings if you want. Okay. So dear children, both the part of the video I have put today, both the videos you see, then only you will be able to understand conjunctions clearly. Okay. Thank you dear children. Have a nice day ahead.